Chrome OS do care a lot about device efficiency and performance, and that also means that there are a lot of features, especially customization features, that are available in other operating systems but not in Chromebook, which I think quite unfortunate given that some people likes to customize the look of their device. However, there is one customization that we can do in Chromebook without using any third-party app, and that is changing the color of the cursor. So right now you can see that I'm using the default cursor, which has black color as the main format, or as the main color, and there is a white border surrounding it. I think the black color is probably appropriate for a lot of cases, but sometimes some people prefer a different color. So here, how you can change the mouse cursor color on your Chromebook device. First, go to the launcher menu, and you want to visit settings. Alright, now on the left side menu, you want to navigate to accessibility. And after that, click cursor and touchpad. And then here on the cursor color section, you can change the default black into a different color. So there is red, yellow, green, cyan, blue, magenta, and pink. Not much of colors, but these colors, at least I believe some people likes at least one among these different color options. Now I will try, let's try, I guess, red. That's going to be interesting. And there you go. So it just changed to red, and the reason there is a shadow, there are two cursors on this video is because I'm mirroring this video from my Chromebook device to my computer in order to record this video, but in reality that wouldn't happen. So that's why you see two different cursors, but now there are three, but there's only one. So it's just the artifacts when I'm recording this video. But you know, it's not going to appear if you are not mirroring the Chromebook screen to a computer. And if you want to change the color again, you can click the option and then change it to a different color. So yeah, now it is cyan. Now you can basically close the settings app, and this color will be applied pretty much permanently on your Chromebook session, on your Chromebook account. So that's how you can change the color of the cursor of your Chromebook device. I hope you found this video to be helpful, and I'll see you on the next tutorial video.